In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the stack feature to organize and enhance your website in WordPress. Whether you're creating a blog, an online store, or a portfolio site, WordPress gives you powerful tools to make your content shine. One of these tools is the stack feature, which is perfect for building clean, visually appealing layouts. It's like having a digital toolbox for arranging and layering your site's content in a way that feels both professional and polished. So let's get started and dive right into the process. Now, the first thing you'll need to do is open your web browser and head over to wordpress.com. Once you're there on the main page, look for the login option. It should be easy to spot, so go ahead and click on that. Next, you'll have a few options for logging in, but the quickest and most secure method is to select Continue with Google. This allows you to log in using your Google account, which not only saves time, but also adds an extra layer of security. Just make sure you choose the Google account that's associated with your WordPress site. If you're managing multiple accounts, double check that you're selecting the correct one. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the WordPress dashboard. This is essentially the control center for your website, where you can manage everything from design to content. From here, look over to the right-hand panel under the Quick Links section and click on the option that says Edit Site. This will take you to the area where you can make changes to your site's design and content. Now, take a look at the top left corner of your screen. You should see an Add button. Click on that, and a search bar will appear. This is where we'll be locating the feature we need. In the search bar, type the word stack. As you type, you'll see a list of results appear. From this list, select the option that's simply labeled stack. If you don't see it immediately, try typing the full word and double-checking the results. Once you've found it, click on the stack option to add it directly to your page. Now, let's talk about what the stack feature does and why it's so useful. Essentially, the stack acts as a container for your content. It allows you to organize multiple elements either vertically or horizontally, giving you the flexibility to create layouts that are both functional and visually compelling. Think of it like stacking blocks. Each element can be layered thoughtfully to create a cohesive and attractive design. From here, you can start using the stack feature to arrange your content in a way that best suits your site, whether you're layering text, images, or other design elements. This tool gives you the freedom to structure your page exactly the way you want. Take your time with this step. The goal is to create a layout that not only looks great, but also communicates your message clearly. And there you have it. You've just learned how to use the stack feature in WordPress to enhance your website's design. By following these steps, you can create clean, organized layouts that make your content stand out. If you have any questions or tips of your own, feel free to share them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.